lamagama ngeke silwele kwashintsha but lamagama singalwela ukuthi understandeke ehle kahle kule group noma kule community letside like nje understand the Bible ukuthi ikhona phakathi Bible focus to the young people the language the translator ngayo by understand lama young people but it carries the same meaning lekufuna ukuthi the original text carries but lendlela lehla ngayo leligama kube indlela elula ukuthi understand labantu abanye so one just think lokuvele because translation is aqubeka isekhona the process yayo labantu laba phila with the challenge that with disabilities vele kuyadzinga ukuthi kube nendlela yokuthi le translation iba accommodate. I think that's very, very important. Yes.
Yes, yes, kuyadzinga ukuthi lama translations ethu sikhone ukuthi vele abe as accommodative as possible. Ngicabanga ukuthi kwengeza nje kulala ishoko umfundisi ngoba nami ngikhona la eBible Society yama-migrate language again. That's why bayibasho lababhalile incwadi nanokuthi now uyibhalile after iminyaka lethile kufuna uku-revise because the lwimi vele luyaguquka. Siyathi ukuthi nasebhayibhelini nje manye unyenti vele loyo ukhanzela ukuthi na usebenzisa that particular translation ungenteka wanyaka angasa-understand lo. Asengibekise nje angathi noma siZulu noma siSwati lesikhuluma khona likhuluma ngemthimba wasekhanda angathi maZulu noma siSwati nawuthatha le Bible lelo nangilifunza mina ngi-understanda kumelula because nginayo le concept yemthimba la engqondweni lokho kuthi theologically biblically nombuyele emuva li-right ngiyal-understand but now ukuthatha uNet umfana nami lona 8 weminyaka ukhuluma ngemthimba wasekhanda akakho lutho noma ungatama kumchazela akakho lokho ukuthi the Bible in as much as the accurate but the language the wording so yiko ke nasikhuluma ngencwadi lebhaliwe siyesikhulume ngalama revisions lama revisions asuke angayoguqula lo mqondo but asuke ayoguqula lamagama so that the people can understand lo mqondo so nakungathiwa nje njengaloku as-Bible Society simuva that direction ukuthi siyafuna ukuthi sibe ne-revision because iBible leSwati la 1996 so siyafuna ukuthi sibe ne-revision yayo so part of ukuthi le revision incorporator ngule issue yemagama ne-terminology lokunye ukuthi kungcono nangabe sitawuthi emshadweni wasekhanda legaba lemshado nomntwana nginteke uya-understand nalowanyalo kanti singakhetha nokuthi sibe nenkani nje sithi ayisokuba sisemthimbeni wasekhanda but akusayiserve the purpose alisamsithi lowanyalo but kuze kumsihle lowanyalo lokuthi must always ensure ukuthi any written text it undergoes a revision na i-undergo i-revision sibuyela kulama end users sifike sibuke ukuthi nguphi la sidinga ku-modifier khona nase sibonile ukuthi sidinga ku-modify language with regards to disability sesiphinde sibuyela-ke kulama-theologians sesibuyela kulama-Bible translators sesiyohlola ukuthi leli gama leli liyalunga yini ngokuthi lingasebenza nyalo ube kusemfundisi nje ukuthi into endlula masinyane nema-translations bafundisi lapha ngiyabati-ke vele bahlale bakhala ukuthi good news ayilungi kahle kanti lama-translations ethu ashiyana ngekuthi the audience yethu la engqondweni bona mani nawunisha lelo Bible nathatha nje i-good news because i-good news iBible le-outreach kahle kahle so lona it's basically meant for i-audience lengafanani nemaswati emaswati angithi iBible lathi asemncane so konke uyaku-understanda nje nange-language ye-King James lelikhunyanyana kanti lo munye maybe even la kunetinkolo letehlukene yena for that person to understand imnete i-good news because that simplified Bible language kutawukhona ukuthi abambe belula. So I think it's important ukuthi vele siyibuyisele nkulumo ukuthi when we do le revision yeBhayibheli lesiswati, what are the sectors ledinga ukuthi siwanjinje asikukhulu umqondo lokusekuqaleni, but lolulwimi singakhona ukuthi lu-align nalokulobeleka konyaka. Ngiyabona Nyambose ndawathatha ama-questions. Ngifuna-ke kuya levele kakhulu ndawuya ngale Zion ngale. Indaba ukuthi nasifika enkonzweni bakhalela abazalwane ukuthi le disability bonwa njengegula kwaba ukuthi bese sikhathazeka kakhulu kwaba nendaba ukuthi nabafundisi bese ngitamanyisisa la wheelchair mina sengine discomfort wawena sone discomfort ukuthi ngiyabuye vile dawo solo ngihlela wheelchair kanti ngilimele nami nawe solimele ukuthi kumbe faith iphambene kanjalo lapho. Where are we in terms of that?
Siyabonga. Ngicabanga lokuthi thina njengelibandla kufute nanani bazalwane niconze lokuthi ngekukhula emoyeni asika kanye asihambi kanye uyukhansela ukuthi emephathi timfo letinye takamoya ngisengakathi iconze kahle. Ngicabanga ukuthi niyasicolela kulelo hlangothi lolo ngoba we are still in the process yokuthi sifundisane etimfeni sikateka moya ukuze siqonze lokuthi thina bafundisi mbambambamba ngumuyini lo msebenzi wethu kufanele siwente nokuthi how do we interact with the members nokuthi nalokuthi nje kubhekeke lokuthi thina njengethi 70 kaNkulunkulu sesende muphi lo msebenzi. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuletinye tikolo atelBhayibheli nabo Zion Bible College we are still working kufundisa cishe belusi nalabo kumbe labanelibito lwako lokushumayela. Kwesibili ke sicabanga ukuthi lo mhlangano lona uyasivula nathi tingcomvo kulokunye ngoba lokunye lokusilahlekele simabandla sibathethela abamfu labalabana lesimo sekuqhubadeka sabafucela lekhashane nakhona hayi ukuthi sibafucela khashane siyadi nokuthi sibafucela khashane sizafuna ukuthi site le ndlela ye-communicator nabo asikakhona ukufundiseka thina emabandla lokuthi how do we communicate with these people lokusho lokuthi ke kwenta lokuthi thina simabandla vele kube ngathi siyasoleka siyavuma vele asikente kahle ngalokuthi vele uthi Hosea bayabhubha bamvu ngenxa yekwesola lwadi lokusho lokuthi nalathi sisifakile esandla sibafundisi singabandla lokuthi kube khona abamfu lesibafucela ngaphandle kanti futhi sibasonzethe kokugcina babele ngikucela kulo lelibandla lengikucela ngoba bekulo lelibandla ngilokuthi alisonzele kithi simabandla sesibonile lokuthi they are willing lokuthi babe abasonzele kithi ngoba sicabanga lokuthi uma singaba nalo loluhlobo lwalabamfu lamabandleni nalamabandla efa ngakhula nawa improve kuba accommodate labamfu nalokuthi nalabo basifundise kuletinye timvo sibazalwane lokuthi asiphathe kanjani nalokuthi babe nawo lamaphuba ukuthi befike nathi basifundise basivakashele simabandla sinetindlela tephuke ukuthi ke uma ufuna bakaleki uconzana nebakabani uconzana kuphi la utawufika bakhanze bafundisi baphelele bafike bafundzise kuyasivula tingcomvo nathi kuyasenta lokuthi sishintshe naye indlela kumbe lesisebenta ngawo simabandla siyabonga.
Yebo ngizindawuphinze kuye kuwe namakhelwane wakho la theology lo mhlangano lesike saba nawo euniversity lesinaye UNESCO bekumhlangano la bebakhulumisa ku-introduce programs translation. So part of the program translation nalamanye bebawethula lakhathi kiyo kunendaba ye-sign language ukuthi bafuna ukuthi wonke lo tangena uyofunda lapho abe nayo angene kube compulsory le course ye-sign language, which we felt was quite good, the intentionality ukuthi le disability inclusion ivele ingene kufana na academic communication skills sinawungena nje e-university noma tertiary it's compulsory ukuthi ungene. I want to know with regards to the College of Theology, with regards to Zion Bible College, how are we in terms of the intentionality ukuthi ngala ka disability are we intentional ukuthi labafundisi bethu babe equipped so that nase aphumile sesimephuphene ngeverse equipped ukuthi understand the audience la yakini. Do we have such initiatives? And College of Theology.
For us, I don't want to lie. Kwanyalo, we were just learning. Besisete ema causes la kanjalo bekungendeki sikhulume ngako. But from last year we tried to accommodate labahamba ngama wheelchair because bekude nalabakhona khamba ngama wheelchairs. And then I'm very happy today ngibona nababemthetwa here. We would like you guys to come and help Eswatini College of Theology on that. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Michelle Tanda. Tanda
Awu siyabonga. Ngicela kusho lokuvutane. Lokuvutane thina njengeZion Bible College eqinisweni kuyefika letinye timfo tiyefika kithi siseZion Bible College asengibekise nje ukuthi laba ngeva laba nesimo sekungeva emadlebeni laba sebenzisa isign language ukukhuluma cishe eZion Bible College sinabo balaceleni kithi sesiqalile kodwa ke kucala kithi thina mathishela kube nendlela nje labasifaka kuyo lokuthi kona kudulile nalokufunza khona kuyi challenge lokho kudulile lokufunza khona but nje sibe nenhlanhla nje sibothishela kwathiwa kune sponsor abathi asifolela sona ukuthi singene sende the sign language mina personally ibrain ivele ngiyayathi bengihumshela nabo Nyamboze bayathi lokuthi ngime bahumshela ngisuse ku braille ngiyise elwimini lwethu ukuze bathawu khona labantu understand lokusho lokuthi ngiyacabanga lokuthi makuqale thina esibothishela sidabe sesiyafaka ke lapha nema student lokuthi akabe nalo leliphuba akungenele kuba vele akusiko kwala sikolweni kuphela kule maphandleni emakhaya lapho khona sinabo labantu labadzinga lokusitwa ngalolu hlobo
I think it's very important ukuthi vele funa sihambe babeshonge committee nalingenako lelinye ukuthi vele kulama centers ethu la train abafundisi sibe sethutshane ukuthi le disability inclusion ibe khona umfundisi asaphekwa le aphume vele sekehla yoshona le nokuthi ke labaphathi bethu lekulama centers ethu la train khona abafundisi nabo batibude question lebenisbuta yona la ukuthi baphi vele bayabitwa noma ababitwa labakhubatekile nangabe bayabitwa asibabone nale kuma training so College of Theology siyeda ukuthi sito asibe intentional kwa introduce ama programs disability inclusion sade ukuthi umfundisi asemkhipha le because sitetsena siqalako lesivuno school 70 incane so asusivalela lesinye sivuno umfundisi wase free umfundisi lenye nabakhale ngayo la sesitawufucela ngasegcineni kulenzabeke ukuthi nangita ngikhubatekile njengalokho bayibekisa nje la ukuthi ngita nesha lapha sesivumelene lenzabe emshado bese umfundisi uthala tandla enhloko nokuthi uyayichitha yena umfundisi ihamba kanjani mfundisi
yo siyabonga abazalwane ngicabanga ukuthi asivume silibandla nje sivume silibandla lo ukuthi many of these things letikhulunywako la tiyalitsinza libandla ukuthi we are not empowered libandla bafundisi we need to be empowered sesivile sami isikole ngafunza kwa le theology kunetinnovele ngitati ukuthi bezange sitfole athi cale lemuva kuma Bible colleges lala sifunza khona abafundisi bagcine bafunza Johane 3:16 sishumayela yena sibite alvetsini sibabite abantu sibabitela kuJesu sama sokwenda Matthew 28:19 osambani nokwendabonga abantu bebafundisi baJesu letinye izinto satishiya lemaceleni but asibonge lokho ukuthi nangabe tikhona tinhlangano letikhona naye bakhona nema organizations lamanye la ngabakhona to help because labanye bethu sesendlula lema colleges then we need to be empowered asivume futhi sibafundisi lokufunza because most of us we don't want to learn just to sit down and humble yourself ufune to change leli verse phela kuleli dynamic selehlukile nalabantu sebehlukile thina bayitolo laba labakhona lonyaka asifana nabo indzaba yakho ukuthi naku sekufika umuntu ukhulumile sisi lapha ukuthi afike sisi afike athi mfundisi kunelijaha sengilibonile so senabete counseling so vayela elijaha ngalo uthi ye watifaka lo uyatibona tifaka phi lelinye tindvo lokunengi uNkulunkulu sokwento uNkulunkulu because we believe kumoya nabahlanganisela abantu lababili akusikwami kubahlukanisa kwami nangibakhansela is to give them tindlela ukuthi nangabe senila nitawuphuma la that is counseling not cancelling but counseling ngicabanga ukuthi niya understand nangabe ungumfundisi nabeta labantu they need counseling they don't need to be cancelled you don't cancel that is there but you are guiding them to what they have ukuthi ukwende kube kukhulu and bigger kube ngcono it is wrong ukuthi sende njalo ngicabanga sikhona umfundi lo ngenta njalo manje all in all we want to say let us learn let us asivulele tadla sitivulile singemabandla sitivulile singema church organizations lela suka khona nje ka conference of churches we are more than willing ukuthi anything lesibona sithi ofsita umuntu nemfundisi will take it and go with it and go along with bafundisi sikutositakala live lonke amen.
Ngiyacela ukuthi mfundisi Wanda because sonke ngawuhamba lonke kanye how do we help ourselves who address the issue here attitude because I think ngilenye they were quite glaring la ekhulumeni kwethu ukuthi the moment ngimbona ngingumfundisi or the moment ngalesi sikhathi noma ngabe njalo kashito make nonhlanhla la lokuthi noma ngabe lo mntwana senganti ukuthi vele unale disability le kanje but the attitude sometimes iba khona le ukuthi nje close or ngive ngathi umfundisi uyangiphazamisa akamthathi ngani makwakhe gagasele
because you are taking a route lethi impilo yakho yonke sometime ukhanze ukuthi ke la kulomuntu kumbe lo ngumlungu utawuthi umntwana infombi yambayelele usishade nami ngoba ngiliswati kanzi you were trying to expose lokuthi it's another culture you need to learn we accommodate then ngicabanga ukuthi kule attitude babe lekufuna ukuthi sikwente we must be willing ku adopta I attitude left eta atofuna counseling ube in the middle don't lo muntu akhona lokuthi ati decidele give them the facts give them the counsel akhona ukuthi decide la yena
lenzaba yekuthandazela ngilenzaba lethi lomnyana akafika ekuthandazela lomnye ufike uzama kumbamba lapho that's why nasibeka umuntu tandla lisithi eBhayibheli thina sitombeka tandla la phansi alesandla sethu nesandla hayi nkulu